Hi, this is Chuck Joss with Valley RV Supercenter. I want to show you the 27U Jayco Greyhawk, top of the line, Class C, one-piece cap, so there's no seams for leakage. Jayco goes above and beyond on this build. It can pull 7,500 pounds with 750 pounds tongue weight, the only Class C on the market that has that. Let's hop inside and take a look. So coming inside, a little dark right now, so I'm going to turn a few lights on. We go over to the BM Pro and just hit the light switches. And one of the cool things on these is you can dim any light in here. So if it's too light at night, you can kind of kill it down a little bit. But super cool for lights. This unit is unique. You have a slide out back in the bedroom area. It is a king size bed. So it's a huge oversized bed with the storage all the way across the back. Coming up forward, you have a nice walk-in bathroom with a nice vanity, a nice toilet position. Nice big medicine cabinet. And then coming here, you have another huge wardrobe closet with 2 more drawers. So tons of bedroom storage. Coming into the kitchen area, you have a way to kind of stay over here out of the way of passing traffic. Cook with some countertop here. Your couch and dinette are opposing one another. So you can have a great conversation here. You're not back up against somebody facing the other way. Look at the size of that overhead bed over the top with the automotive windshield. So you get lots of light inside here, but it lessens the chance of any leaks coming through. This is the Ford V8 chassis. And one of the great things they've added is the huge touchpad this year. So your GPS, everything is not only larger, but it's actually faced towards the driver. So a lot easier to use. What can I say? This is Jayco's top of the line. You should check it out. My name is Chuck. I'd love to show it to you. Give me a call anytime at 253-228-4716 or come down and visit us at Valley RV Supercenter in Kent.